When life gets you down, get your fat ass back up.
I promise that you'll never find another like me. I know that I'm a handful, baby. I know I never think.
Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, I am actually making a video. It feels weird. I just realized I do not have an intro. I need to work on that. What should I say? Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am. Which type of nasal voice is that one? Anyways, for the longest, I haven't released a video, and to be honest, every excuse I have given myself has been just that, an excuse. They are not valid reasons. And not to say I'm not appreciative of the love. Like, guys, I think most of my videos have surpassed 40 views, and I have like about 57 subscribers. But like, the engagement ratio is mind blowing, guys. Thank you. um I was just about to promise you more videos, but I cannot say that I can't break my promise, because I have been struggling, kind of. Like, my mind's been a mess, my life has been a mess. Like, this Asuu strike, like, it's like I'm standing in the middle of nowhere and I do not know where to turn. Like, yes, I know I am a college student, I am in university, I know I have YouTube, I know I work as a social media manager. Yes, just putting that out there in case you're looking for a badass social media manager. You get. But I don't know, my life feels like it feels like it's missing something. Yes, I go to church and everything. Yes, I go to talk to my Lord and Savior. But I don't know. I feel like I can do everything and I can do nothing. So like, and that has made me not show up. Like, there are lots of things I could be doing, but I'm like, what if I end up wasting my energy and stuff? Please, I am not doing shame motivational speaker, but like, I'm just airing out what has been on my mind. Like, I have been, like, say, suffering emotionally. Yes, and I forgot to say that I am styling my hair in this video. Basically, if I look good outwards, I don't know, it's radiates inwards, and I just feel better for a while, sha. Like, so I was trying to do my hair. You saw the little transition in the beginning, yes. So I was making my hair into a slick back bun, basically, and I have a hack. So for all my Afro girlies and stuff, watch till the end, or enjoy. Yes, and that is something I want to tell you guys. Please be watching my videos to the end. It really helps the algorithm. I hope to reach, let's say, 1,000 subs by my birthday, 3rd of December. Please, guys, this one is all that I'm begging you guys. Please share this video, like, comment, just blow it up. Blow it up. It really encourages me. So yeah, where was I? Okay, I was talking about life struggles. Okay, firstly, I'm a student. I've been in the house for 3 months. Asuu has been on strike for 4 months. Yes, we know that. The first month I actually spent it in school. I told you guys that we were about to have our professional exams, and we still had it in mind that the exams could come anytime. So we spent 1 month in school practically reading like mad people. My study group members, I love you guys. I actually miss you guys a lot, a whole lot. So we've been in the house, and I don't even know whether I still want to do what I'm majoring in. Like, to be honest, I'm just tired. Like, anytime I think about school, this song, I'm tired by Euphoria, whatever, the Euphoria music, yes, soundtrack is what comes to mind. I'm praying basically, dear Lord, you know I'm tired. And hey, if I talk about school, I'll keep on blabbing. Then, as a social media manager, the thing is, people tell us acquire skills, acquire skills. It's very hard to like sell those skills. And most people, yes, they'll say they're teaching you how to sell your skills, how to put yourself out there. But let me tell you, most people that teach skills, yes, the skills are good skills, but hey, the main thing is that they're actually earning from teaching you. That is how they like monetize their skill. Most times you monetize your skill by teaching others. It's just like there's a problem, and for example, now the problem is there's no water, and you decide to sell shovels for people to dig a well. People selling shovels will what's it called, earn more money. You get. So now, so as a social media manager, it's very difficult to like put myself out there. Like, I have no idea how to do that, because we in Nigeria, we don't really have working sites. I would say like Upwork or Fiverr. Yes, people will tell you there's a way you place yourself, but you be on those apps for years. My guy, for years. I feel like I'm rambling too much, but this is real. This is how I talk normally. If you want to just me, we'll go north, east, west, and south, and I might not still hit the nail on the head. What else do I do? Okay, I said I'm a YouTube. Okay, let's go to YouTube, my guys. So YouTube, I have lots of clips. Editing has been my problem. My last video has a copyright claim on it because of the music I used. Like, it's hard, especially for somebody without funding. And I feel like my videos are supposed to have upgraded by now. Like, I'm supposed to have like bomber lighting. Even if to upgrade my I film with my Android camera, by the way. I use a Samsung, and it's not bad, but I feel like I'm supposed to have upgraded. Like, my videos become cringe to me. That Bridgerton video, God, I can't believe it's still out there. But I decided that it's better to do something than for me not to do anything at all. And maybe with time I might be growing, but it might not be instant. It might not be like explosion or something, but little drops make a mighty ocean. Did I just say I can actually be a motivation? Just call me to your school. Call me to your community. Never come and speak to your people. I'm a crazy person. But guys, are you seeing how I'm already looking fresh? So like, I was speaking about being a motivational speaker, and the funny thing about my life is that I am highly unmotivated. Like, in school, yes, my grades are not horrible. I'm not okay, they're horrible, but I'm not failing. You get. So far as I am not failing. I don't know, I'm just the most comfortable person, and I don't think that's a good thing. I never feel like I have to be in a competition with somebody else, and I can't figure out if that is a good thing or a bad thing. I watched Salem King's video. Yes, I know the best YouTubers in this life. If you want me to drop them, I will drop them for you. Like, his video on being, what's it called, highly unmotivated, basically. But the thing is that he wants to change. I mean, I don't think I want to change. Exactly, being highly unmotivated. In fact, you guys should just, if you have any advice for me, you can drop it in the comment section. Yes, I will be reading. In fact, now I will reply to all your comments. So please just keep them coming in. Like this video, share if it's possible to save. Yes, give it thumbs up, everything. Please, all this thing is under a beg. Let me speak pidgin. All this thing I dey tell now under a beg. So yeah, bye.